Welcome to Continuous Improvement, the podcast where we explore strategies and techniques to enhance project management practices. I'm your host, Victor, and in today's episode, we'll be diving deep into the Benefits Dependency Network, or BDN, and how it can benefit your projects. So, what exactly is a Benefits Dependency Network? A Benefits Dependency Network is a graphical representation that maps out the various elements, outcomes, and benefits expected from a project. It helps project managers and stakeholders understand how each part contributes to the overall benefit and aligns with the business goals. Let's explore the components of a BDN. The first component is enablers. Enablers are the project's outputs or deliverables, such as new software or hardware, documentation, or training materials. These are the tangible results that the project delivers. The second component is changes. Changes represent the transition from the current state to a future state. This could include organizational changes, new processes, or behavioral shifts among employees. Changes are necessary to achieve the desired outcomes. The third component is outcomes. Outcomes are the measurable improvements or advantages as a result of implementing the enablers and the changes. These outcomes can be qualitative or quantitative. And finally, we have benefits. Benefits are the final advantageous results expressed in business terms. They often align directly with the organizational goals and objectives. Benefits are the ultimate goals that the project aims to achieve. Now that we understand the components of a benefits dependency network, let's explore the benefits of using this framework in your project management practice. The first benefit is clarity in communication. Effective communication among stakeholders, team members, and external parties is essential for project success. By using a BDN, you can simplify complex interdependencies and provide a visual aid that makes it easier for everyone to understand the project's objective and the route to achieving it. The second benefit is prioritization of tasks. BDNs help in deciding which tasks and activities are most critical for the realization of desired outcomes and benefits. This assists in resource allocation and prioritization, ensuring that the most crucial elements are attended to first. The third benefit is risk mitigation. By outlining dependencies, a BDN allows for early identification of potential risks. If a particular enabler is delayed or compromised, you can quickly assess the impact this will have on the outcomes and benefits, allowing you to take corrective action proactively. Moving on to the fourth benefit, we have alignment with business goals. BDNs help in maintaining focus on the organization's objectives. By consistently linking project activities and deliverables to business benefits, a BDN ensures that the project stays aligned with the overall business strategy. The fifth benefit is measurability. Because a BDN requires the definition of outcomes and benefits in measurable terms, it sets the stage for metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs. This helps in tracking the project's success objectively. Lastly, the sixth benefit is that a BDN facilitates change management. Any project worth its salt will invariably introduce some form of change. A BDN explicitly outlines the changes needed to achieve benefits, making it easier to implement change management processes effectively. Now that we understand the benefits of using a benefits dependency network, let's explore how to create one. The first step is to identify objectives. This involves clearly defining what you aim to achieve through the project. A clear understanding of the project's goals is essential for building a successful BDN. The second step is to list enablers. Identify all the outputs or deliverables of the project. These are the tangible results that the project will produce. The third step is to map changes. Describe the changes that need to happen for the enablers to be effectively utilized. These changes could involve processes, behaviors, or organizational shifts. The fourth step is to outline outcomes. Determine the results of these changes. These outcomes can be qualitative or quantitative and should directly contribute to the project's objectives. The fifth step is to specify benefits. Identify the benefits in business terms. These benefits should align with the organizational goals and objectives. The sixth step is to draw dependencies. Connect these components to show how they interact and depend on each other. This visual representation will help stakeholders understand the relationship between different elements. Lastly, don't forget to review and refine the BDN as the project progresses. Take into account new information and changes in circumstances to ensure the BDN remains up to date. To wrap up, a benefits dependency network is not just a planning tool, it's a communication, prioritization, and strategy tool rolled into one. By adopting BDNs in your project management practice, you are setting the stage for clearer communication, more focused efforts, and ultimately, greater success. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Continuous Improvement. I hope you found the information on benefits dependency networks useful. Stay tuned for more episodes where we explore valuable project management strategies and techniques. Until next time. Closing music fades out.